Hola, hola. I'm Karla, your Spanish tutor, and today I'm going to teach you 5 basic Spanish prepositions. De, a, en, con, sin. Ready to spill the tea on your family, where you're headed, who you're hanging out with or avoiding? Let's get started. De means of or from, and it expresses who something belongs to. La casa de mi abuela, where someone is from. Soy de México. Details about something. Una familia de 4 personas. Please answer, ¿de dónde eres? Muy bien. A means to or at, and it expresses where someone is going. Voy a la oficina. A specific time. La reunión es a las 5. When someone or a pet is the direct object of an action. For example, llamo a mi tía todos los días. The next preposition is en, and it means in, on, or at. It expresses where someone is at, like, mi mamá está en el supermercado, or where something is at. El libro está en la cafetería. Quick tip: think of en as your go-to word for locations. And el for masculine nouns and la for feminine nouns. Both mean in the. The next preposition is con, translated to with, and as you know, it is used a lot. It mainly expresses companionship. Vivo con mis padres. The means or tools used to do something. For example, escribo con un lápiz. Quick tip: think of con as your go-to word to express who you are with or what you're using. Last but not least, we have sin, meaning without, the opposite of con, and it expresses not having someone. No puedo vivir sin ti. Not having something. No puedo leer sin gafas. Something missing, not wanted, or not included. Me gusta el café sin azúcar. Quick tip: remember that sin is the opposite of con. So, if you say sin, something is missing. Although they are short words, they are truly powerful. So now that you know how to use these basic prepositions in Spanish, try replacing the nouns and places for others to make endless sentences. So it's your turn to shine. Please answer in the comments, ¿de dónde eres? ¿A dónde vas hoy? ¿Dónde está tu hermana ahora? ¿Con quién vives? ¿Con qué no puedes vivir? Check my website at fluentwithkarla.com for more information about this topic and to keep learning Spanish with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more Spanish lessons made simple and nos vemos el próximo video.